Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the month of September 2024. So let's begin. If your sun, moon and rising any sign is Leo, then this reading is for you. This is going to be a general reading. So please do check your birth chart for your signs. To those who are coming back to my channel, welcome back. This is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I am going to refer to the book if I need more clarification. So let's begin. You have first week, second week, third week and the fourth week. Okay. Yes. Cards are really popping out for you, Leo. Wow. All right. Seems like your life is moving forward at the speed of a rocket right now. You're feeling like a king. You're getting a lot of importance. Let's see what that means for you. Second week, third week, and the fourth week. All right. Yes. So I see a lot of good news in your reading. I know you cannot see the entire spread, but I'm going to show you the cards as and when we move forward. So let's begin. Your first week has the 8 of Suns and the 9 of Moons. So that means that something big is happening in your life right now. In the month of September, Leos, I do see some of you getting hitched. Okay, so some of you could be getting a roka engagement or marriage also. Some of you are blowing a trumpet, celebrating something, and I see a gathering as well. So you're calling people over, you're celebrating with your friends. It could be career success as well. You're feeling like a king. Maybe you've got a promotion recently. So definitely you're getting a lot of importance for the from the people. You see, this person is sitting like a king, and people are serving him. So definitely you are at a position right now. You have that kind of status that you feel like a celebrity. So it could be in your work life. And when are we feeling like a celebrity in our personal life? When we are getting hitched, right? So the bride and groom are on the stage, and they are the people who get the maximum importance. So that is something I see that is happening in your life. I see good news. Also pregnancy related news, fertility related news could be coming your way, or you've just delivered a baby. So again, you're getting a lot of importance in the first week of September. Let's get to the second week, 10 of Spheres and Fortitude. Yes. So this is what I see, like a strong, courageous person. You're moving forward with your life at the speed of rocket, as we can see, right? So your love life is shooting, your career is shooting, you are celebrating all the happiness in the world with your close ones. There will be new beginnings in your life in the month of September. September, I see, Leos, is a beautiful month for almost all the signs. Okay, so I think it's a beautiful month for you as well, both professionally and personally. You are going to move forward with all your strength, your power, your force. You're going to put that in your relationship or your work as well. So I do see your life uh, moving forward at the speed of a rocket. I'm saying that again and again because I want you to understand what I mean. It's going to be huge, Leos. Coming to the third week, we have the abyss, that is the 13 of stars and the 4 of suns. Now, before I clarify the 13 of stars, that is the abyss, I would like to tell you about the 4 of suns. So 4 of suns, again, you are gathering and you're celebrating something. It could be that you're going back home after a long period of time, or you're meeting your friends after a long period of time. I do see reunion happening. I do see you meeting uh, your friends, your school friends, your college friends again. I do see you meeting your relatives again. I do see you meeting and mingling with the community again. It feels like you've achieved something big in your life. So when you come back home, people are applauding for you. People are appreciating you, and people are also giving you rewards and recognition for your efforts. So I do see that career wise, it's an amazing position. Okay, so whatever you are doing, you are focused on both hand in hand. If you think you're single and your focus is only on work, then this reading is for you. You are focusing on work, you are getting the promotions, you're also getting the awards for it, the recognition for it from your family and your colleagues as well, from the community as well, from the industry as well. And if that is your personal life that you're focused on, then yes, you could be getting married as well this month, or you're planning about getting married in the coming month. So huge thing for me, for you. I would like to clarify the abyss for you once again. The abyss, please. Yes, so I do see that you have a very mature and perceptive woman in your life, right? So it could be your mother, it could be a friend, it could be your partner as well. I do see that you respect this person a lot. I do see that maybe somebody that you're getting married to is that woman you really respect, you really look forward to, you really want to spend your time with. So, and if you are a woman, Leo, who's watching this, then somebody sees you like that. Your partner sees you like that. Somebody who's mature, somebody who's able to handle things, somebody who's fierce with her work also. So it feels like, Leos, that you are like an all-rounder. Okay, so you're able to manage your work and your personal life as well. So somebody around you is really proud of you, really appreciates you for your success as well. So it could be that you're married Leo who's watching this. Then definitely your home life and your career are all both at peace, both moving forward with full speed. Coming to your last week, we have the Nine of Spades and the Hierophant card, right? I do see that you are spending a lot of time with the priest. Okay, you have started believing astrology in horoscope a lot. The reason why you are on my channel today is because there is a spiritual bend these days. Okay, so you want to know more about tarot cards, you want to understand about future, you want to understand about destiny. You have started believing in destiny. Maybe you were in the past very unhappy with your life, maybe your life was not moving forward. Now, automatically when your life is improving, you have started believing in God again, you have started believing in a higher power, in destiny again. So I do see that you could be doing a lot of rituals around this time as well. Again, if you're getting married, definitely there will be rituals that happen in various religions in a marriage, so that could be happening. It could be that you're achieving so much success, buying a house, buying a car, that rituals related to that as well could be happening around this time. Pregnancy related rituals could be happening, when a new baby comes home, or when you are celebrating the to be mother, sort of a thing. So I do see a lot of rituals happening in your home. I would like to clarify the Nine of Spades with Nostradamus. Nine of Spades, please, for Leo. Yes, see, you have a lot of achievement, you have a lot of contentment and maturity and realization. So you are realizing now that whatever happened in the past, the bad things, your breakup, your divorce, your unsuccessful job, now when you have changed your path, now that you have found a new person or a new job or a new career or a new growth in your life overall, you realize that you have that maturity, you have that realization that everything happens in the divine timing. So this is the divine timing playing its role in your life, making you achieve a lot of success. So that is what is happening. A lot of rituals, marriage, you are turning towards priest, you could be doing charity, you could be just becoming more of a spiritual person around this time. So beautiful reading, Leos. I hope you liked your reading for the month of September. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please do comment and let me know that you are getting married, or your business is booming, or you just got a promotion. I will be very happy to know that. All right, so you guys take care. This reading was in English. If you are comfortable in Hindi or Urdu, you can watch another video. So take care, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.